What's up, guys? Fran here. And I'm just going to show off this thing we got of Jason Craft the Epic, his YouTube name. He said it was 50 cents, but we gave me euro.
Yeah.
This truck, and this truck I've played with a long time at my friend's house.
And there's another big truck too.
Where? We don't have another big truck.
It's upstairs.
Okay, we're not going to get that. Just don't get that. Look at this. Look, see, it's big, and I mean a big truck he bought. Look, there's a big handle. There's a big handle for this, guys.
Look.
What?
Look, Weeba.
Look. Do you want to say hello to the camera?
Hello to the camera.
Oisin, why were you whinging there? Like, here, let's just open this truck. Oh my. It's very hard to open for some reason. We're going to open this baby up. Bad boy up. Oh. Whoa, it's like a little racing track, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like a big... Oh, push that away. It's like a racing track.
We need the other car.
Oh, there's a car. There's a car stuck. There's a Hot Wheels car we got over Kinder Egg stuck here. It's actually quite nice, isn't it?
And we need the other car.
Here, on this row, I don't think this can fit in here, so... That's probably the handle. It's not pushed in. Now it's pushed in. Look, woohoo, I'm driving. Oh, the edge came off. Where's the edge gone? Mystery. A mystery. I know, yeah, like there is bit here. Like this bit can fold up and fold down. That's cool. And Oisin hid the car in here before we start the video.
And there's another truck.
There isn't. Look. Oh, that little truck. Yeah, here, look. Let's just we're just messing about. We do in most videos that we're not sure you will like. Oh, see, it's not cool. Here. Wait a second. There's someone on the phone. We want to get him off. Okay, guys, that was a very, 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 very long chat they had. It was around half an hour or something like that. I don't know how we kept the camera on, but let's try and do this. Boo! I'm one of the people in the crowd. Boo!
Oh no, it needs going truck charge.
No, it doesn't.
It is.
Let me do this.
Because of
Oh, where is it? I put him here. Isn't this one? No,
it's this one.
Stop. Okay. He landed there. I don't want him in the pit. I want him to pass the finish line.
Hitting.
Oh.
As you go, excuse.
He is very, very bad at driving.
Yeah, as we go, you're taking so long.
Hey, you have a big gob, don't you? Oh, he flew all over here. Okay, pretend this is the race. Woohoo, we passed the finish line. Hey, put that back down.
Oh, sorry.
Look, I'm gonna drive the car now. No, reverse. Turn it, wait.
First.
Hey, stop! Oisin, stop! I can't see. Okay, down. Hey. Yes! Woohoo! I get it, go up here. I am the winner. Okay, bye. Nope.
Hey, let's go, boys.
Where are you going?
We're going somewhere else.
No, I'm not going anywhere. Curse you. Wait, what? Can I drive off? I'm out of the work. No.
You have to go.
Okay, I'm reared.
Go in that truck.
No, up.
Go in that truck.
I don't want to go anywhere. Look, I go up here and I get some fuel. I go in.
No, that's the big one.
Yeah, I'm resting.
Yeah. Do we need this one?
Yeah, okay.
He won't fit.
He doesn't need to drive in there. Here, look, I'm just going to drive around the edge.
I need driving here.
Wait, what? Can I drive? Wait, Oisin, let me see. Can I put no?
Go that
Oh,
way.
it actually let me do that. What? How do I? Hey, move.
Ow. Okay. There.
Reverse, 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 reverse. Yeah. The car magically comes up in the air. Whoa! Watch out!
I won.
Oh no! I'm gonna park over here. Park. What are you doing? Oh, you're playing with the what's it called? Oh, you push them out and look. I'm gonna be there. You go that way. You go there, there, there.
I'm this
As long as they're all in, we're good. I don't want nobody sent off. Bing!
We're going somewhere else.
No, I'm driving that car there. Look. Yoo-hoo. Thank you.
This is late. We're going.
Go.
We're going, bud.
No, I'm ramping. Woo.
Okay.
Oh wait, last one more driver, one more lap, okay? No!
Sorry.
Oh, Sheen!
Sorry.
Stop, it's my turn. Oh, it's just about there, guys. Look how far I am. Just here. We're going to keep trying until we make it to the finish line. Nope. One I did like kind of gently and then... Nope, not so far. Let's try this one now. I'm wrong one. Nope.
No.
Come on. Oh, no, not so far, but yeah, it's good enough.
Nope. Oh,
Oh, just that. Hey! Okay, I guess that was counted. Okay, Oshin. Let's let me drive off the track.
now, let's go. We're going somewhere else.
Which truck? Will I get in the truck? Open up the door. The truck.
Have you?
Here, stop here, I'll do it. Look, see? Here, let's turn. Yeah, I need it here. Let's go do it your side. Look, just drive in there and get up here and then.
Yes,
Ta-da.
leave a rest.
And then!
Close it. Oh, yeah.
What are you
We
doing?
forgot the
Here.
other one.
I'm just gonna leave the camera there, guys. Hallelujah.
And this other one. Look.
Oh, what? My God, Oshin.
You have to do that.
Ta-da! Ta-da! Say ta-da!
Ta-da.
Bye-bye! At least it landed. Bye. Oshin, come on. Here, look. I don't know if you can. Shh. Guys, hope you enjoyed, and we will of course see you in the next one.
And
Bye.